Welcome back to this channel. Today, we are looking at 5 healthy breakfast ideas to try out. Please watch till the end and comment which of the recipes you like most. Let's get started. Our first healthy breakfast is a classic avocado toast with egg. It's quick to prepare, packed with nutrients, and perfect for busy mornings when you want something delicious that will keep you feeling satisfied. You'll need 2 slices of whole grain or sourdough bread, 1 ripe avocado, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, a pinch of red chili flakes if you enjoy a little heat, and some fresh parsley or microgreens for garnish. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and provide plenty of fiber, potassium, folate, and vitamins C, E, and K. These nutrients support heart health, help keep you full, and contribute to healthy skin. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and contain important nutrients such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which supports normal brain function. When combined with whole grain bread, this meal provides a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and fiber to help maintain steady energy throughout the morning. Start by toasting the bread until it's golden brown and slightly crisp. A crunchy slice of toast creates the perfect base for the creamy avocado, while the bread is toasting. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a small bowl. Add the lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a little black pepper. Mash everything together with a fork until the mixture is smooth but still slightly chunky. Next, heat the olive oil in a nonstick frying pan over medium heat. Crack the eggs into the pan and cook them to your preference. A sunny-side-up egg with a soft, runny yolk pairs beautifully with avocado toast. But poached or scrambled eggs work just as well. Once the toast is ready, spread the mashed avocado evenly over each slice. Carefully place 1 cooked egg on top of each piece of toast. Finish by sprinkling black pepper, chili flakes, and chopped parsley or microgreens over the top. If you'd like a little extra flavor, add a light drizzle of olive oil or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. 1 serving provides a good amount of protein to help keep you full, healthy fats that support your heart, fiber for digestive health, and essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall wellness. It's a balanced breakfast that's both nourishing and satisfying. Serve your avocado toast with fresh berries, orange slices, or a small fruit salad for extra. Vitamins and natural sweetness. You can also enjoy it with a smoothie or a glass of low-fat. Milk for a more complete breakfast if you're looking to increase the protein even further. Sprinkle a few pumpkin seeds or hemp seeds on top before serving. Our second healthy breakfast is a delicious berry Greek yogurt parfait. It's creamy, refreshing, and incredibly easy to prepare. This breakfast is packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for a nutritious start to your day. Best of all, there's no cooking required, so it's perfect for busy mornings. You'll need 1½ cups of plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup of mixed fresh berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, half a cup of granola, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup if you'd like a little extra sweetness, and a few fresh mint leaves for garnish if desired. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which helps keep you feeling full and supports muscle health. It's also rich in calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth, as well as probiotics that promote a healthy digestive system. Fresh berries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, and other plant compounds that help protect your cells from damage and support a healthy immune system. Granola adds whole grains and a satisfying crunch, while also providing fiber that helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the morning. Together, these ingredients create a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients that nourish your body and keep you energized. Start with a clean serving glass or bowl. Spoon a layer of Greek yogurt into the bottom until it covers about 1/3 of the container. Next, add a layer of mixed berries, spreading them evenly over the yogurt. Follow with a layer of granola for a delicious crunchy texture. Repeat the layers by adding more yogurt, followed by more berries, and finish with the remaining granola on top. If you enjoy a touch of natural sweetness, drizzle a little honey or maple syrup over the parfait. Finally, garnish with a few fresh berries and a small sprig of mint for a beautiful finishing touch. Your berry Greek yogurt parfait is now ready to enjoy immediately. If you're preparing it in advance, keep the granola separate until serving so it stays crisp and crunchy. One serving provides a generous amount of protein to help keep you satisfied, plenty of calcium for bone health, probiotics that support digestion, fiber for healthy digestion and fullness, and antioxidants that help protect your body from oxidative stress. It's a refreshing breakfast that's both nutritious and naturally delicious. You can easily customize this parfait to suit your taste. Try adding sliced bananas, kiwi, peaches, or mango for extra flavor. Swap the granola for toasted oats, chopped nuts, or seeds if you prefer a different texture. For additional nutrition, sprinkle chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds between the layers. If you're looking for a dairy-free option, simply replace the Greek yogurt with your favorite plant-based yogurt, while keeping the rest of the ingredients the same. And that's your berry Greek yogurt parfait, a colorful, protein-packed breakfast that's quick to prepare, full of fresh flavors, and perfect for starting your day with wholesome nutrition. Our third healthy breakfast is a creamy peanut butter banana smoothie. It's rich, naturally sweet, and incredibly satisfying. This smoothie comes together in just a few minutes, making it a perfect breakfast for busy mornings or a quick meal on the go. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, it's a delicious way to fuel your day. You'll need 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, 1 cup of low-fat milk or your preferred plant-based milk, 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup if you'd like extra sweetness, and a handful of ice cubes. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and natural carbohydrates that provide quick, sustained energy. They're also rich in fiber, which helps support healthy digestion and keeps you feeling full. Natural peanut butter provides healthy, unsaturated fats, plant-based protein, vitamin E, magnesium, and niacin. These nutrients support heart health and help keep hunger at bay throughout the morning. Greek yogurt adds high-quality protein, calcium, and probiotics that promote strong bones and a healthy digestive system. Combined with milk, this smoothie delivers a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to help maintain steady energy levels and support muscle health. Start by peeling the ripe banana and breaking it into smaller pieces before placing it into a blender. Add the natural peanut butter, followed by the Greek yogurt, milk, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, add the honey or maple syrup at this stage. Finally, add the ice cubes to create a thick, refreshing texture. Secure the blender lid and blend everything on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. Or until the smoothie is completely smooth and creamy with no visible lumps. Pour the smoothie into a tall serving glass. For an attractive finishing touch, garnish with a few banana slices, a light sprinkle of cinnamon, or a small drizzle of peanut butter over the top before serving immediately. You can easily customize this smoothie to suit your nutritional needs. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds for extra fiber, and healthy omega-3 fats. Toss in a handful of spinach for additional vitamins and minerals without significantly changing the flavor. For an even higher protein breakfast, blend in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. If you enjoy a richer chocolate flavor, add a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. You can also replace the banana with frozen banana slices for an even thicker and creamier smoothie. And that's your peanut butter banana smoothie, a smooth, creamy, protein-packed breakfast that's quick to make, naturally delicious, and perfect for keeping you energized throughout the morning. Our fourth healthy breakfast is a comforting bowl of apple cinnamon oatmeal. It's warm, naturally sweet, rich in fiber, and incredibly satisfying. Whether you're heading to work, school, or simply enjoying a slow morning at home, this wholesome breakfast provides long-lasting energy to help you start the day on the right note. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of milk or water, 1 medium apple diced into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup if you'd like a little extra sweetness, and a pinch of salt. For toppings, you can use chopped walnuts, pecans, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, or a few raisins. Oats are one of the healthiest whole grains you can eat. They're an excellent source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which supports heart health and helps you stay full for longer. Oats also provide complex carbohydrates that release energy gradually, helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the morning. Apples add natural sweetness, dietary fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants that support overall health. Cinnamon not only gives this breakfast its comforting flavor, but also contains beneficial plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Together, these simple ingredients create a balanced breakfast that's both delicious and nourishing. Begin by pouring the milk or water into a small saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Stir in the rolled oats and a small pinch of salt. Reduce the heat and cook gently for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to create a smooth and creamy texture. Add the diced apples and ground cinnamon, allowing the apples to soften while the cinnamon infuses the oatmeal with its warm, inviting aroma. If you enjoy a hint of sweetness, stir in the honey or maple syrup along with the vanilla extract during the final minute of cooking, once the oatmeal is thick, creamy, and the apples are tender. Remove it from the heat and transfer it to a serving bowl. Finish by topping the oatmeal with chopped nuts for crunch, chia or flax seeds for extra nutrition, and a few raisins if desired. For an even fresher flavor, garnish with a few thin slices of apple and a light sprinkle of cinnamon. This breakfast provides fiber to support healthy digestion, complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, healthy fats from nuts and seeds, and important vitamins and minerals from fresh apples. It's a balanced meal that helps keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Serve your apple cinnamon oatmeal warm with a glass of low-fat milk or a cup of unsweetened green tea. If you'd like to increase the protein content, add a spoonful of Greek yogurt or stir in a scoop of unflavored protein powder while the oatmeal is still warm. And that's our comforting apple cinnamon oatmeal, a simple, wholesome breakfast that's easy to prepare, naturally delicious, and perfect for any morning. Give it a try and enjoy every warm, flavorful spoonful. Our fifth and final healthy breakfast is whole grain toast with peanut butter and fresh berries. It's simple, delicious, and takes only a few minutes to prepare. This balanced breakfast combines wholesome ingredients to provide lasting energy, making it an excellent choice for busy mornings. You'll need 2 slices of whole grain bread, 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter with no added sugar, half a cup of fresh strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds for extra nutrition. If you prefer a little sweetness, you can also add a light drizzle of honey. Whole grain bread is rich in fiber, B vitamins, and complex carbohydrates that provide steady energy throughout the morning. Natural peanut butter is an excellent source of plant-based protein and heart-healthy fats, helping you stay full and satisfied for longer. Fresh berries are packed with vitamin C, fiber, and powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from oxidative stress. They also add natural sweetness and vibrant color without the need for refined sugar. Together, these ingredients create a nutritious breakfast that is both satisfying and flavorful. Begin by toasting the whole grain bread until it's golden brown and lightly crisp. Spread a generous layer of natural peanut butter evenly over each slice while the toast is still warm. The warmth of the bread makes the peanut butter smooth and easy too. Spread, wash and slice the strawberries if you're using them. Then arrange the mixed berries evenly across the peanut butter. Combine different berries for a colorful presentation and a variety of flavors. Sprinkle chia seeds or ground flax seeds over the top to add extra fiber, healthy omega-3 fats, and a slight crunch if you enjoy a touch of sweetness. Finish with a light drizzle of honey. Be careful not to add too much, as the berries already provide plenty of natural sweetness. Your whole grain toast with peanut butter and berries is now ready to enjoy. This breakfast offers a balanced combination of complex carbohydrates, plant-based protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. It helps provide sustained energy, supports heart health, promotes healthy digestion, and keeps you feeling full until your next meal. Serve this toast with a glass of low-fat milk, a cup of unsweetened green tea, or a fresh fruit smoothie for a complete breakfast. If you'd like even more protein, enjoy it alongside a serving of Greek yogurt or a boiled egg. And there you have it, whole grain toast with peanut butter and berries. It's quick to make, naturally delicious, and packed with wholesome ingredients that help fuel your body for the day ahead. It's the perfect way to finish our collection of 5 quick and easy healthy breakfast recipes. Thank you for watching. We hope these 5 quick and healthy breakfast recipes inspire you to start your mornings with delicious, nutritious meals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest healthy recipes and nutrition tips. Let us know in the comments which breakfast you'll try first or share your favorite healthy breakfast idea. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.